In this video, I'll explain what to do if you sent money by mistake on the Capitec app and need to request a reversal as quickly as possible. Open your Capitec banking app as soon as you realize the mistake. Tap on Transact, then select Payment History to view your recent transactions. Locate the transaction you sent by mistake, such as the cash send or payment made today. Take a screenshot of the transaction details, including the amount, reference, date, and time. Call Capitec's 24-hour customer support line and explain that you made an incorrect transfer to another Capitec account earlier today. Ask the consultant to log a reversal request. Because the payment was between two Capitec accounts, there is a chance the funds can be frozen or recovered if they haven't been used yet. Capitec cannot guarantee a reversal, but acting on the same day gives you the best possible chance. You'll receive an SMS or an app message once your request is processed. That's how you request a cash send reversal on the Capitec app.